Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look right here, something that most of you guys like, I think. I'll show you how to apply this quick and easy eyeshadows without fake eyelashes to make it a bit more like simple, nothing too dramatic, but something that stands out. And I only use affordable products, so I really hope you guys like it. I explained every step in case you're a beginner, so it can be easy for you to recreate. So I hope you like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you like this look. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to start by applying the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. If you guys like my eyebrows, I do have a step-by-step eyebrow tutorial for beginners. If you want to see it, I will put it in the description box below. The first very important step for eyeshadows is a primer for the eyeshadows, and I like to use the same concealer. I'm going to blend it out with my e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. You can use a small brush or your finger to blend it out, and it does have to be nice and blended in order for the eyeshadows to blend or to apply nice and for you to be able to blend it out really nice. I love that the concealer gives you a very nice and even tone all over the eyelid and the brow bone for a clean canvas for your eyeshadows. Then I'm going to set the concealer with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in a fluffy brush from Profusion. I'm going to apply it in tapping motions all over my eyelid, all the way up to my brow bone, because I did clean the eyebrows. So you want everything to be nice and even, and that's what's very important. As long as you applied an even layer of primer all over the eyelid and you blend it out really nice and you set the whole eyelid and everything looks good and even, your eyeshadows will apply really nice, making it easy for you. And this is another thing that I really recommend, especially if you're a beginner, if you're going to apply dark eyeshadows, is for you to set the concealer. That way they can just blend out a lot smoother, easier, and faster. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is this one from Pixie, and I'm going to grab this eyeshadow using the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on my crease. I'm going to go back and forth, and if you didn't set the concealer or the primer, you want to apply it in tapping motion so the concealer doesn't move. But like I said, if you do set the concealer, the eyeshadows are going to apply and blend out a lot faster and easier. So I can just keep going back and forth on my crease and a little bit above my crease, and just by doing that, it's going to start blending it out really nice. And if you want to add more than one layer, make sure you apply it still on the crease, and then you slowly start blending it out a little higher than that, but you always want to apply it a little lower than where you want the eyeshadow to be nice and blended. And you want to make sure not to have a lot of product on the brush when you're blending out the eyeshadows. And I'm also going to apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line, but this time I'm going to use a smaller brush. And to apply eyeshadows on the lower lash line, you want to use a small brush because you want to apply it as close to the lash line as you can, and then blend it out a little bit lower than that. But if you use a big brush, then you're going to apply a lot of the product, and you don't really want that. But if you do want to blend it out lower or make the eyeshadow a bit darker, then you just keep applying layers. And if you're using dark eyeshadows, you want to start with a little bit of product on the brush. Now with the same little brush, just the other side of the brush, I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow, and before applying it, I'm going to wet it with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And this is important because if you don't apply the eyeshadow on top of a creamy product, it's not going to stand out a lot, and it's not really going to grip onto the eyelid, so it's slowly going to start fading away throughout the day. But if you wet it with a setting spray, and it doesn't really have to be with setting spray, you can use water too. It's going to help for the pigments and the shimmer stand out, and it's going to look a lot nicer, and it's going to grip onto the eyelid, making it last all day and all night. Just make sure if you use water not to wet it a lot. And to blend out the edges, I use the same little sponge, and then I just blend it out very lightly on my crease. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes because I'm not going to be wearing fake eyelashes, so I want them to be nice and curled. I'm going to apply the mascara from Milani, the waterproof one of my favorite affordable affordable mascaras. I love the way this applies the product. I love the way the brush separates my eyelashes, and I like to apply 2 layers when I don't apply fake eyelashes. And for the second layer, this one doesn't apply like too much product, making it look clumpy at all, which is one reason why I really love this mascara, and it doesn't weigh my lashes down. And if you want your eyelashes to look long, you have to apply the product from the root of your eyelashes all the way to the tip of the lash. I'm also going to apply the mascara on my lower lashes, and after that I'm going to apply this Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof eyeliner on my waterline. And nothing much to say for this step, but that completes the look. So to me, this is something that's not too dramatic, especially because I'm not wearing fake eyelashes, and you don't need fake eyelashes for these eyeshadows to look complete. Just like that, it looks so nice to go out during the day for anything. It's quick and easy for school or work. So I really hope you guys liked it, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, and share this video with your friends and your family. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!